Hello and welcome to another Carstar video. Today we will be showing you a comprehensive guide on how to remove a door mirror from a Peugeot 4007, and in the process of removing the door mirror we'll also need to remove the door trim. This is because there is a cable for the door mirror that goes slightly inside the door trim, which we will need to have access to. To start the process we will remove the covers, the cover-free screwdrivers, and the screwdrivers are standard Phillips screws, so you should have this handy at home. It does not require torque screws or anything. Once we remove these screwdrivers, the only thing that would be holding it into place would be the clips on the inside of the door trim. We'll remove the inner cover for the door mirror, which has one small plug which can be detached by putting a small little needle inside that hole, which attaches the plug. This is the third screwdriver. Now after this point, if you just want to change the door mirror, you just need to pull the door trim off and don't detach the door handle and cables and the door window switch. We're only taking off the door trim so we can have access to the cable that runs down the door trim. So this is how you remove the door trim. Pull the bottom part out and slide it slightly upwards. If you want to remove the door mirror completely, continue as you see in this video. But if you just want to be able to remove the door trim, you will have space to detach the cable without removing the door handle cable and the window switch. So this part you will not have to do. Just keep the door trim close and skip to, I believe, 2 minutes and 30 seconds and just go straight to the door mirror cable removal part of the video. This is just to show you how to completely remove the door trim. As you can see, this is where the window switch is. You push that part in and remove the plug out. I'll also show you which clips I was talking about. These are the white clips that run on the inside, on the outer side of the door trim. These can break when you're pulling it out. It happens, so keep that in mind. And this is the part where you need access to the plug. As you can see, the plug comes down inside the door trim. This is why we partially remove the door trim, so we can have access to this plug. You won't, as I said, you won't have to remove the door trim completely, so you don't have to detach the door handle cables and the window switch. Just continue from here. There will only be 3 nuts that hold the door mirror in place. These are 10mm nuts. If you're doing this, just remove 2 of them and stand on the outside of the door so you can hold on to the door mirror, and then remove the 3rd nut. And that's how you remove the door mirror. Putting the door mirror back in place is basically doing the opposite of this video in the same steps. First do the plug and then put the door mirror in door trim in place. You want to put the top part first and then slide it down, and basically this is how you remove the door mirror from a Peugeot 4007. Stand on the outside so you can remove the door mirror. Gently wiggle it out, don't pull it aggressively. Make sure the door mirror comes off. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.